Hello and welcome to Creative Metal Design, on the first episode, How It Is Made. Today we're going to be talking about the gates and how choosing the right gate is very important. My name is Carlos and I'm the founder of Creative Metal Design. I started the business because of seeing a niche in the market for hand-built, bespoke metal gates that are made to measure. To design the gates, we start with a pencil and a paper, drawing out the gates, gate designs. So here's the gate which is just built right behind you. The process involves cutting, drilling, welding and dispatching the gate to get to a very high standard for client to not hurt themselves on the sharp bits of the gates. Here we are looking at already built gate with nice decorative detailed railhead, 40 by 10 flat bar, which is nice and robust, strong flat bar rather than supposed to 8mm flat bar. 21mm infill bar with decorative bush, again 40 by 10, double mid-rail, 12mm dog bars, gate frame constructed from 60 by 40 box section with additional ground clearance integrated into the gate frame, 60 by 40mm box section in the center of the gate to allow integration of a magnetic lock and all required wiring, as well as safety edge on the back of the gate and wiring for that as well. In the center of the gate you can see nice little curved detail on the top of the box section to finish it off so it doesn't look just square and boring. Also we have 40 by 40 box section on the hinge side, has integrated hinge block which allows a gate to pivot around the hinge which is fitted to your brick pillar or steel box section. This hinge block already has pre-drilled hole for galvanizing. This hinge also does have integrated grease nipple, and we replace the regular nylon lock nut with a dome nut to finish off the hinge assembly. So these gates can be hung on the hinge bracket directly on the brick wall, or alternatively we can also provide freestanding gate posts that can be cemented in the ground and hang your gates without a need for brick pillars. Your gates are now built, now we need to protect your gates. Galvanizing is chosen in marine environment, in the proximity of a sea, or gate design that does have a difficult to code part of the design where it is a water trap but we struggle to get it out with. So if the gate is in marine environment, we always recommend hot dip galvanizing. Following that, we do lynch the gate and send it off to be powder coated. Powder coating is a process of applying polyester powder to finish your metalwork with hard-wearing, durable finish. Here we have two different options for a standard fine texture black powder with our very special glitter metallic architectural powder. Why choosing the gate company is very important? Because initial gate purchase is one-off expense. Ongoing maintenance is something that can cost you arm and a leg in the near future. So all our gates are supported with gate technical file, which includes client's details, the product details, automation specification, as well as maintenance log and force testing for the gates, which is very crucial for the gates to be safe, durable and well maintained in the future.